Right, ladies and gentlemen, got that guy home. Gotta fix this guy, El Bouquet. So what happened was when on the video where I was ripping out the bamboo, I did cause some damage to the bucket. So what I'm gonna do, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that crack right in the middle there, and then that one. So I'm gonna use this guy. First real practical use of the laser cleaner. I'll go from there. Yeah, just use that to clean up, see if I have any more cracks in other places, because, you know, it'll take paint up, easy. So yeah, we'll see if there's any other cracks. I don't think I'm gonna go on the outside because I don't see anything. But I'll just go down here. I think it's just this guy and maybe right there. So I'll clean all that up, grind it out a little bit if I can reach it, and weld over it. So hopefully this will make my job a heck of a lot easier. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let me get set here, and some light on the situation. But as you guys can see, the crack stops right in there. This goes around right to the front. And goes from the front back down right in there. So it cracked in a predictable place. Let me get this board out of the way. And I don't know how far down. It might have to clear down there too. So let me do that. But as you guys can see, holy moly, that was almost zero elbow grease to get it that nice and clean. I can work it and then clean it again and paint it. And that sucker's gonna look so good when painted. So let me get the other part cleaned up, and we'll see, and we'll go from there. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what you can see there, but yeah, the crack goes all the way down to about there. Wonderful. Other side goes a little bit, it's hard to tell, but you guys can kind of see. Yeah, this laser cleaner makes cleanup easy. Man, no wire brushing, leaves the weld alone. You can see cracks. So far, so good. So yeah, let's get to repair a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was hard to grind anything out of there, but I did. So I'm gonna fill that up right quick. Also underneath there, I don't know if you guys can see, I ground that out. Once we're done with the welding, then we're gonna go clean some more, and then we're gonna complete the job with a little bit of paint. ladies and gentlemen. Threw some beadage on there. I'm gonna clean it up with a laser cleaner on the top here so it looks presentable. So I'm gonna laser clean it and then I'm gonna paint it. Shoot, why not? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Just gonna use the Rust-Oleum because it's gonna get rusty anyway. So, just glob it on there. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Boy, does it cover well. All right, smells oh so delicious, oh so delicious. All right, did that, letting this thing cool off. Just had to clean up some stuff extra, but my goodness, I mean, wow. So fix the cracks, laser cleaner, practical uses, 100% awesome. Just for being able to find cracks. God, it works beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're gonna let this sucker dry, put it back on that honker. Yeah, put the pins in, put all that associated stuff. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully I'll make more videos like this. Stick around for the next one. All right, aloha.